In this video we will learn how to add expense request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the expense module on top navigation bar. So here you can see expense request form. Click on the Apply for Expense button to add a new request. Next, select Employee and Category from drop-down. Here you can see the expense quota summary against the selected category. Next, select expense type from drop-down and enter quantity or amount for request. The user can add an attachment if required. Enter description for the request. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.